Guys, let's do a quick tour here in Queen Street. This is what you will see here. So they have a lot of stalls. So if you're planning to buy any souvenirs, you should buy it here. I think the price is good also. Bugis. So they have rack magnets. Or the alternative is Chinatown. Look guys. So Dragon Street siya guys. So aside from dry goods, they also have food here. Look. Oh my gosh. And then it's cheap guys. So you can also visit this portion guys. It's not that busy. So they do have some artworks here. They have Christmas lights here. So you can have your picture taking here guys. So they sell also stuffed toys. So may mga artworks din. So this is a good place for you to roam around without any itinerary. Look. And this building is also very colorful. Nice. Look guys, diba? Isn't it lovely? And this street also. Lingit pa. So this is the neighborhood of Queen Street guys. Albert Center and this one. So beside the road guys, they have a lot of stalls. So from jewelry all the way down to dry goods and of course street food. So that's Albert Center guys. I think it's a hawker center. So daghan tao dito. Wow. Oh my gosh, durian. Let me check if durian is really very cheap now. So that's Albert Center guys. So this portion sells fruits. Snake fruit. Oh, diba? Pinya, $2 ang pinya kada usa. Each na siya. So this one is also a shopping center. Kani sa pa murag souvenir siya. Daghan ka pamalit dire kay barato ro. $1 lang. So if you're planning to buy many souvenirs, you can buy it here like that. It's cheap guys. Super cheap. Another jewelry store. Grabe lang po ang jewelry store. So Albert Center is also very big guys. Hua Bakery. Oh. Grabing mga tao sa kahalang. So this is again Bugis Street, Victoria Street and Queen Street all rolled into one. Diba? So na outlet store oh. It's also very cheap here. So that's the continuation of Albert Center. And then ano siya ang neighborhood. And that's all for this tour guys. Thanks.